Okay, so this is the 2010 question, and there's just two small, very, very small mistakes again in this one. Okay, so you need to be careful with that restitution formula because that's causing us a problem again. So here, you did your conservation momentum formula, that's perfect. Then you did your coefficient of restitution formula, minus E over 1 equals V2 minus V1 over U2, which is 0, minus U1, which is U. So then that 0 minus U is multiplied by minus E. So what happens here is this should be a plus. So that's the only really mistake there, that should be plus. So then when you add your two equations together, so what you did was you took this one here and by 9, what does that mean? Oh, sorry, no, yeah, you just brought that over here, and they cancelled. So you got 4v2, and this should be a plus. And so that should be a plus, which makes this wrong as well. Okay, because that should be a plus here, and so that should be u plus. So that is, oh, sorry, yeah, that should be a plus there. So V1 is going to be equal to that minus this. Just going to make that a minus, which is going to make that a minus. Okay, so it's just a science mistake, really, that you need to just be careful with, and it's all coming from this coefficient of restitution formula, so you just need to be careful with that. Okay, in part 2, you're asked for to complete the percentage loss of energy. Okay, so this is correct. Your values for V1 and V2 are correct. So this is correct and that is correct. But what you forgot here was that this mass of V2 is actually 3m. So V2 should be 3m, which would make this here 3 times 25, which would give me 75, which would give me 76 over 76 u squared m over 512. Okay, then when you do your taken away part, so I'm just going to have a look at how we do the taken away part. Okay, so we would have what we were asked for was the percentage loss. So the percentage loss, what that is equal to is the before minus the after over the before. So if you're trying to find your percentage loss, you have to do your difference over your original. That's what you do in maths. You do your difference divided by original, multiply by 100 over 1. Okay, so that's it. Let's just have a look at what that looks like. Okay, so because it actually isn't the nicest here. So our before, you had that right, it's a half mu squared. Our after is this 76 u squared m over 512 all over a half mu squared. Okay, if you look at this, I'm just going to be multiplied by 100. The problem with yours was that you had mu squared in your answer. Okay, that shouldn't happen. Your answer should be a percentage. Why is it going to be just a percentage? Because, okay, well, do those two in your calculator, and a half minus 76 over 512 is equal to 49 over 128 u squared m all over a half mu squared multiplied by 100. But the mu squared is on the top and the bottom, so they can cancel. Okay, so then this can just go into our calculator straight off, and we get 70.3%. Okay, so your problem was that you didn't divide it by the before. All you really got was your difference and then turned that into a percentage, if that makes sense. So it's your before minus your after divided by your before.